today we are going to plant my basil. So we're gonna plant this. I'm planting inside the house because it's so windy and I need to crack on. I need to start all my seeds. So that's our basil. So that's the basil or basil that we're gonna plant. So this is the seed. Just not a lot, okay? So just like that. We are going to sprinkle around, only around, okay? You know why? My plan is to plant in the middle a tomato. Lumaki na to. I'm going to pull them out. So in the middle, I let the middle. We're gonna poke just like that, and I want a cherry tomato to go inside it. So we choose a nice one. It's a nice growing roots in here. It's like that. Just the leaves. You see how it grows. Right? Can you see it? Just one in there. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of soil around where we planted this basil. Not a lot. Put in the middle as well. Just don't cover the leaves. And then, of course, another sprinkle of water. Alam mo naman kung saan na yung basil, di ba? Dapat hindi ma-pressure. Hindi ma-pressure yung water. Kailangan ganyan lang, gently. Para hindi mo ma-disturb yung seeds. Yan. All covered. So don't forget all the tubs. This is sweet basil. Don't forget that. We're gonna put in a pot. Let's check our basil or basil. How much it grows now. So this is the basil that we planted. This is the update. So I put one tomato here in the middle. And that's the growth in 7 days. I put plastic covers in here. Look, there's moisture inside, if you can see the water there. And to give moisture and heat inside as well. It's like the mini greenhouse. Sweet basil. Look at that grows. So we got this basil growing continuously. I think replanting this basil is good. Look, you can see the third growth now, the third leaves there. That's the true leaves coming up. Okay, so we are going to pick some basil. I just want to make sure I'm not damaging the roots. Ooh, got a few on my hands, and then transfer here. Let's plant them. Okay, so I left some in here. So for that tomato in the middle there, and then everything in there. Let's plant it. All the basil is in. Look at that. So I got few cells in here that didn't planted anything, but it's okay. We got loads, and then you just water them. It's already moist. It's pretty moist, so it's fine. And this one as well, we just water it. This is our sweet basil that we planted around this tomato. This is the tomato now. Look at that. Sweet basil is growing very healthy. And this is our tomato. This is only in my windowsill and it grows like this. And I know this is yellow foliage. I have Epsom salt that I can put around the base and to get it green. This is our basil that we are growing. Look at that. They are getting bigger. Some of them I put already in the pot for, you know, to get rid of all the insects. The insects doesn't like the smell of basil. And this is the basil. Look at this basil is bigger. If you don't transfer the basil, it's gonna be big like this straight away. But when you disturb the root and you transfer somewhere or in this kind of cells, they are smaller than the non-disturbed basil. And this is our tomato from the windowsill that we are growing. It's getting bigger. So next time when it's gone bigger and bigger, so maybe next week I can transfer this in bigger pot, or I can plant it outside the garden.
Thank you very much for watching Manila London. We now have a merch store with quite a lot on offer. Take a look at our Teespring from our channel page. Or you can hit a like, a subscribe or one of these tiles and stay with Manila London that little bit longer. Thank you for watching.